Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up or add a verification bot on your Discord server. So first off is open up your Chrome or your browser, search for CAPTCHA bot, just like this. So click on it. Now you'll be redirected here. So click on CAPTCHA here and just click on add app. You'll be prompted here. Click the server that you want to add the CAPTCHA bot to, and the permissions here. Just need to authorize. For that, the verification. As you're done with that, you'll be redirected here. Click on continue to Discord, and now you can go continue here on the desktop app. So once you're here, you'll see here that CAPTCHA bot is here. So as you can see, CAPTCHA bot is here already. And what you want to do is go to server settings, roles. You see here that the permissions, and just click whatever you want to give permission to. So these are the people that are unverified yet. So it's like that. And now you want to go back here and create a role. You can go with verified members, just like so. Let's say it's changes, and you can go with any color you want. Let's go with green. For that, you click on save and go escape. Once you're done with that, we need to create a channel here. The category first, click on verification, create category. Under the category, click on create channel. Let's put a channel like verify here. This is where the verification process starts. Once you're here, go to here and click on edit category and the text channel right here. Edit category, permissions. Make sure to make it the private category and add members or roles, and go add verified members there so that they can access that particular channel. Same with the voice channels right here. Turn it on, add members, verified members, just like so. Once you're done with that, we want to go to general right here and click on go, click help. So you'll see this here. Once you're done with this, go visit dashboard. You'll be redirected to the website here. And go to configure here. Once you're here, see this on the left side, go to verification. Once you're here on the verification, you'll see that the verification channels where users can start or restart the verification process. So select where the verification channel that you made. So we made the verify here earlier. Select that one, save changes. Now, you could pick on these two. Bottom panel works for me. And here you could add it. So you see that from here, let's see this. If you click on post message, you'll see this pop up. It's on here on the verification channel, verify here. So users need to verify there first. Just like so. And just go through all these. Or if you use a role right here. So add the role first here. Verified members, just like so. And add role, go to save changes. We can add time limit also. And after that, you're good to go. So something like that. And of course, you'll see it here. For a member to be verified, you just need to click here on verify here. I'll click here again. You'll be redirected to the website, and then you just need to verify it like that. Success, and you need to hold down here. And boom, they're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.